Hi, today we'll talk about a very important subject, which is how to make money online. But first of all, let us chat about the difference between the traditional way to make money and making money online. Making money online and working a traditional job are two distinct ways to earn a living. Both have their own unique advantages and disadvantages, and the decision between the two often comes down to personal preferences and circumstances. A traditional job typically involves working set hours, a designated workplace, and a direct boss provides a steady salary and benefits. On the other hand, making money online offers greater flexibility, the ability to work from anywhere with an internet connection, and a wider range of income potential. However, it can also come with greater uncertainty and the need for self-motivation and discipline.
Ultimately, the decision between making money online and working a traditional job depends on individual goals, skills, and preferences. To work online, you need your own equipment, tools, and material. For instance, you might need a good laptop or desktop with a decent processing system and ample memory. You also need an office space at home away from the living room to avoid constant interruptions. Your family must be considerate to respect your routine and working hours so you could be efficient and productive.
Continue to learn and grow. To make more money, you need to continually learn and grow your skills. Read books, take courses, and attend events to keep up with the latest trends and developments in your industry. This video was produced by Brugens Productions. At the end of this video, we'll give you information on how to contact us. Making money is a vital aspect of our lives, and it's something that requires effort and dedication. However, with the right approach, anyone can increase their income and reach their financial goals. Here's how to make money. First and foremost, you need to identify your skills and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? These are the key questions that will help you determine the best way to make money. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or photography, there are many opportunities to monetize your skills online.
If you're not sure where to start, consider freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer your services to clients all over the world. You can earn money by completing tasks or selling your products, and it's a great way to get started if you're new to entrepreneurship. Another option is to invest in the stock market. By putting your money into stocks, you can potentially earn a return on your investment over time. However, it's important to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Additionally, starting a side hustle can be a great way to increase your income. This could be selling products on Etsy, offering dog walking services, or starting a blog and monetizing it through ads and affiliate marketing. The key is to find something you're passionate about and turn it into a business. It's also important to cut your expenses and create a budget to ensure you're saving and investing your money wisely. This will give you a clearer picture of your financial situation and help you make informed decisions about how to grow your income. Finally, networking is critical to your success. By connecting with people in your industry, you can learn about new opportunities, get advice, and make valuable connections that will help you grow your business. Attend events, join online communities, and don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire in your field.
In synthesis, making money requires effort and dedication, but it's definitely achievable with the right approach. Identify your skills and interests, start freelancing or invest in the stock market, start a side hustle, cut expenses, network, and continue to learn and grow. By following these steps, you can reach your financial goals and secure a bright financial future. Money is a game we all like to play. If you see money as a game, you'll enjoy it and you'll have fun while making it. Follow the rules of money, and this way you won't have to do anything wrong to make money. It takes effort, time, and a plan. To make money, you have to create a plan with a specific agenda.
Start by levels. For instance, if you make $300 a week, find a part-time job where you can make $150 per week. Then, try to invest $100 on the stock market or save it until you have $500 to $1,000 to invest with more money on your account. Start with a goal, make it your drive. You have to be motivated and inspired to make money. Work hard, save, and always strive. Find the real reason of why you want to make money. Budget wisely, spend less than you earn. Invest in yourself, let your money return. Be smart with choices, don't be impulsive. In the long run, that's a life cycle. Diversify your income streams. Explore new horizons. Find your passion and turn it into a livelihood. Find the why. Why do you want to make money? Your answer shouldn't be as simple. I love money or money can buy me anything I want? It'd have to be an answer that shows a truth relationship with money and that you know the real benefits of having access to money. The universe will only open the door of abundance to you when you are ready to accept it with humility and responsibility. The question is, what are you going to do with wealth? Are you going to create jobs and opportunities for other humans, or are you just going to live a luxurious life with abundance and unnecessary pleasures? Remember, success is not overnight.
It takes patience and determination. This means that you have to educate yourself about how money works and how to invest it wisely. Keep learning, growing, and adapting. There is always a new trend coming and emerging, and you have to be on alert. Stay focused, disciplined, and unrelenting. How much do you want to make? 500, 1,000, 2,000, or 5,000 a week? Money is not the end, but a means to an end, a tool to bring joy, peace, and comfort to your life and friends. So, work hard, play smart, and always invest on the products and companies you know. Make your goals of how to make money and stick to them.
Today, I want to talk to you about the power of making money and how it can change your life for the better. Making money is not just about having financial stability, it's about having the freedom to pursue your passions, the security to provide for your loved ones, and the independence to make your own choices. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're looking to take things to the next level, making money can help you achieve your dreams and live the life you've always wanted. First and foremost, making money requires hard work and dedication. It's important to be willing to put in the time and effort to build a solid financial foundation. Whether that means finding a stable job, starting a business, or investing in your education. Remember, success is not something that is handed to you, it's something that you have to work for. So, be persistent and never give up on your goals, even when the going gets tough. Next, making money is about being proactive and taking control of your finances. This means setting realistic financial goals, developing a budget, and learning about the different ways you can make, save, and invest your money. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or save for a down payment on a house, having a clear financial plan can help you achieve your goals more quickly and efficiently. Another key to making money is having a positive attitude and a growth mindset. This means being open to new opportunities, willing to take calculated risks, and always looking for ways to improve and grow. Remember, success is not a one-time event, it's a continuous journey. So, be open to learning, embrace change, and never stop striving to be better. Finally, making money is about having the courage to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. Whether you're an artist, a writer, an entrepreneur, or a corporate professional, having the financial freedom to pursue your passions and make a difference in the world is what truly makes life worth living. So, find your passion, follow your heart, and never let anyone tell you that you can't achieve your dreams.
Making money with artificial intelligence. Here's some data regarding people making money with AI. AI is a rapidly growing industry and is projected to be worth $190 billion by 2025. The adoption of AI has led to the creation of new jobs in areas such as data science, machine learning engineering, and AI management. Companies that invest in AI have seen significant returns on their investment, with many reporting increased efficiency, improved decision-making, and increased profits. AI is also being used by entrepreneurs to start new businesses and generate revenue, with startups in the AI space raising billions of dollars in funding.
AI is being used in a variety of industries, including healthcare, finance, retail, and transportation, and is expected to continue to disrupt and transform many more industries in the coming years. These are some of the ways in which people are making money with AI. If you need more information about how to make money, keep watching till the end of this video. Making money with artificial intelligence. An overview: artificial intelligence AI is a rapidly growing industry and has the potential to bring significant financial benefits to individuals and businesses alike. From creating new jobs to improving efficiency and decision-making, there are many ways in which people are making money with AI. In this video, we'll explore some of the ways in which individuals and businesses can leverage AI to generate revenue and increase profits. New job opportunities in AI.
One of the key ways in which people are making money with AI is through new job opportunities. As AI continues to grow and become more widely adopted, there is an increasing demand for professionals with expertise in areas such as data science, machine learning engineering, and AI management. These jobs offer competitive salaries and the potential for significant career growth, making them a great option for individuals looking to make money with AI. Investing in AI companies. Another way to make money with AI is to invest in companies that are using AI to transform their businesses. Many companies that have invested in AI have seen significant returns on their investment. with increased efficiency, improved decision-making, and increased profits being just a few of the benefits. Investing in AI companies can provide a great opportunity for individuals to benefit from the growth of the AI industry and potentially generate significant returns on their investment. Starting an AI-powered business. Entrepreneurs and startups are also making money with AI by starting new businesses that leverage the technology to generate revenue. There are many different types of AI-powered businesses, ranging from software and platforms to hardware and devices. Startups in the AI space have attracted billions of dollars in funding, and many have gone on to become successful and profitable companies. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit and an interest in AI, starting an AI-powered business could be a great way to make money with the technology. Using AI in existing businesses.
For established businesses, incorporating AI into their operations can also be a great way to make money. AI is being used in a variety of industries, including healthcare, finance, retail, and transportation, and is expected to continue to disrupt and transform many more industries in the coming years. By incorporating AI into their operations, businesses can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and make better decisions, all of which can help to increase profits and generate revenue. There are a great deal of videos on YouTube made with artificial intelligence with millions of views making tons of money.
Conclusion: AI is a rapidly growing industry with the potential to bring significant financial benefits to individuals and businesses alike. Whether you're a professional looking for new job opportunities, an investor looking for growth opportunities, an entrepreneur starting a new business, or an established business looking to improve efficiency and profits, there are many ways to make money with AI. As the technology continues to evolve and become more widely adopted, it's likely that new and innovative ways of making money with AI will emerge, making it a field to watch in the coming years. Thank you for watching this video. You can contact us on our page or YouTube channel, Brugens Productions YouTube channel, https://tinyurl.com/for pc42848. Visit our channel and watch our video. Do you want to be successful? You have to know this.